So I'm working on this Whirlpool dryer, and you can see high heat, time dry. And I'm going to press start, and the problem with this, it's not heating. Everything's checked out except for one part. So we're going to press start. There's the element. Element's good. Now, what I do is, see the timer? I'm using a wrench. So I'm going to push back slightly on this, just slightly. See, pushing up slightly, and look at the element. See that? She's glowing. So the timer contacts are worn. You take this off, and the element pretty much fades away. Put it back on there. Okay, we're going to push slightly up. So sometimes you just want to check everything before you just start throwing parts at it.